Yes, welcome back to the second tutorial on Python programming language. And now we're going to start there directly by start learning Python. Let me assume that by now you are already your compiler or interpreter is ready to execute any given Python instructions. So we're going to start Python programming language first by printing a statement on the screen. So the print statement is used to print something on the screen to display something to the user. For example, we go on website, we see there's some text. So in order to print something just to the user to read it, then we have to use a print statement. And as demonstrated in the previous video, in order to print something, there's nothing we are going to do that much except using the keyword print. And Python is case sensitive, which means the capital. When I say Python is case sensitive, which mean ABC is different. ABC and ABC, they're totally different. Python treat them as a separate thing. So Python is case sensitive. That's why those keywords that will be used in Python, they should be subjected to this as well. In Python, by default, every keyword should be of a low character, which means they should be in small letters, not capital. So in order to print something on the screen, we just have to use the keyword print, and then we put a double parenthesis. Now it should print something on the screen. But in this case right now, it's not going to print anything on the screen. And if we are to run it like this, you will see it will just give us a blank page. It's because we have given no instruction to be print on the screen. So if you want to give an instruction that is to be executed and printed on the screen, we need to put it inside a string, which means they should be in double quotations. Right now in this code, which means everything we are given is treated as a sequence of characters, which is a string. You don't have to worry what a string is. I will come and explain it in detail when we come to the data types. But for now, I just want you to understand, in order to print anything on the screen, we just have to use the keyword print and then parentheses, double quotations mark, and then we have to put instructions. For example, I want to print a simple statement on the screen. So inside this quotations mark, I just have to go and say, hello, I am Pirino Gorang, and I love Python programming. Now we are done. That's all. We just have to put the keyword print, the parentheses, quotations mark, and then we need to put our message or whatever we want to print on the screen inside this quotations mark. And now if I am to print it, you will see the same statement exactly as we have given will be printed on the screen. Now here you can see, hello world, I am Pirino Gorang and I love Python programming language. So this is how easy it is. And if you want to print more statement on the screen, you just scroll down the same step again and say, you can say whatever you want to say. In this case, I'm saying I'm learning programming languages. And if I am to print it again, you would see Python will print it again beneath the first one. So that's easy how it is to print a statement on the screen in Python programming. In case you're using a compiler such as a Notepad or anything or any other compiler, then you need to manually install Python in your PC or in your Windows operating system so that it should work. To do that, it's very, very simple. We're just going to use a simple command to install it by running it on your CMD. You don't have to worry at all about it. I'm going to give you the command line myself in the description of this video. Just copy, paste it in your command prompt, which is CMD, and execute it, and it should install Python to you. That is it. And now we have learned how to print a statement on the screen. Let's go and see what is next in the coming lecture.